You won't believe what just one spoon of this can do. Mix it right, and your plants will grow and bloom 5 times faster. Let me show you how. Just one spoon of oats can make your plants grow faster. But wait, here's the secret to make it even more powerful. Add 1 or 2 used tea bags to your oats. Oats are rich in nutrients like phosphorus, manganese, magnesium, and zinc, which are essential for the overall growth of plants and flowering, while tea adds nitrogen, tannins, and organic matter that boost soil health, making it more acidic, which is more beneficial for some plants. You probably already have everything at home and it's easy to prepare. Here's how to do it. Take a tablespoon of oats, put it in a mixer or blender. This way, all its nutrients will be released much faster when oats turn into powder. Then add this powder into a half liter of water. Sit it for 30 minutes. Thereafter, strain the entire solution. Meanwhile, add 1 cup of hot water to 1 or 2 bags of used tea and let it cool. Then mix the oats to 1.5 liters of water and add a cup of tea. Watch this. So now you have easy to prepare powerful organic fertilizer. And all of this with just one spoonful of oats and a bag of tea. Isn't it fantastic? You can use it in all your indoor or outdoor plants, fruits, and vegetables once every 30 days. This natural mix makes up your soil, feeds the roots, and helps your plants bloom beautifully, all with just one spoon of oats and a tea bag. Try it now and watch your garden come alive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy garden hacks. This is JouleShare reminding you happy roots, happy blooms. From my garden to yours, may your days always bloom beautifully. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time. God bless.